Welcome to LinkedIn Profile Tips by Social Concierge Service. In this short video, we're going to show you how to optimize your LinkedIn profile so you get found. My name is Greg Pitstick. I'm the author of LinkedIn for Real Estate Agents and How to Get a Client a Week Using LinkedIn. In our books, we lay out 3 simple steps to success with LinkedIn. First is to optimize your profile. Second is to connect with 200 quality local professionals. And the third is to actively network to grow and nurture your connections. Now, in the first step to optimize your profile, we want you to define your target client. Your profile is going to talk directly to the person that you want to attract. If your profile is set up to talk to everyone, it's going to talk to no one. So you need to lay out the target client that you want to attract. So what type of client do you want more of? Be specific, give them a name. In fact, look at your past clients and write them down and say, which client are you going to be talking to through your profile? Who do you want to attract? And then write down the words that they would search on to find your profession. What would they search on to find you? Now we're going to optimize your profile header. The first part is a photo. Please use a professional photo. In this example, the person actually has a photo that matches their business entity, which is Fun Loving Tax Accountant. But it's not a place for a picture of you at the beach or you and the dogs. Next is your name. Use your name as exactly as people would know it, that they would search for you on. And then next is the headline. Now, many people here make the mistake that they put their title. Their title does not help them at all. Instead, here you should put the keywords inside of the heading that you're going to be searched on. So here, in this case of a tax accountant, they use the word tax accountant. He also is a forensic accountant and business CPA. If you're a real estate agent, you would put realtor, real estate agent, your city name. If you happen to be a chiropractor, you would put chiropractor. You put the words in here that people would be searching on. Next, we're going to optimize the summary section of your LinkedIn profile. The summary section is your 15-second talk to someone as they come to your page. So it needs to have a little bit of time spent on it. You're going to talk directly to your client in 3 parts. The first part, you're going to say who you are and what you do. The second part says who is your target customer and how can you help. And the third is a reason to call you, all in 3 simple paragraphs. Here's an example for an accountant. I'm a tax accountant in Cincinnati. I'm an expert in tax planning, estate tax planning, and tax preparation in the state of Ohio. I'm a founder and partner at Cincinnati Tax Experts. Notice that first paragraph is very clear who they are, and it's also loaded with the keywords that people would be searching on them for. Next, Cincinnati business owners use our services to get the lowest possible tax bill every year. We do this by organizing your income, expenses, and business entities so the resulting tax return has the lowest possible impact. Who's the customer? Cincinnati business owners. What do you do? They explain exactly what he does in one simple, short paragraph. Finally, if you're serious about reducing your taxes, you need a tax strategy during the year that results in the tax return you want. Call me at a phone number or email me at an email for a free confidential consultation on how you can start reducing your taxes today. Notice it tells the person to call them and what they get for calling. Nice, simple. It talks to the individual that you want to attract. Next is you need to optimize your work experiences. You need to include relevant past experiences. They help you get found and they help you network. They help you network because a lot of people will search on the company that they used to work for to find other people. Use keywords in the description of your work experience. When you do the work experience, you also want to use wording saying what you did and be specific so that someone can actually read the work experience as it relates to them. So talk to your target client in terms of explaining your work experience so that they say, oh, this person would be good to work with me. Next, you want to optimize your skills and expertise. What you want to do here is, again, put the keywords that you have in as your skills and make sure you don't use too many of them. And don't put in weak ones like Microsoft Office or documentation unless you happen to be an executive assistant. Now your friends then can endorse you on the different skills that you happen to have. To get your own copy of how to get a client a week using LinkedIn or LinkedIn for real estate agents, come visit us at socialconciergeservice.com.